So these are the Castle Arts Premium Watercolor Paint. I've been seeing them advertised to me on all of my social media feeds over the last few months, so I decided to give them a try. I wasn't very sure about these paints because I've never heard of this company before. I was a little hesitant about these products, but I have to say I was pleasantly surprised by how they performed. To be honest, they hit on every point that I'm looking for in a product. Bright when wet, ease of use, brightness when dry. Watercolors are always tricky to me. Some watercolor sets that people say are highly regarded and highly touted, they come across as dull to me, while some other watercolor sets that people really don't talk about that much, they come across much brighter and much vivid to me. It's really all about personal choice. And that's pretty much the same with these Castle Arts watercolor sets. The watercolors come in a nice quality packaging and even come with a guide that explains all the colors that come with their watercolor sets. I really like that. The only real con that I have is the tubes of watercolors come with this foil cover over the opening, and you have to open it up with like either a knife or something like that. And I get it, but it seems like an unnecessary thing that you have to do. I know some sets they use like a removable foil film to keep from the watercolors from spilling out. I would have much preferred that, but that knife deal, that was the only thing I really didn't like about these watercolors. All in all, I really like the Castle Arts Premium Watercolor Set. If you're looking for a bright, easy to use, premium watercolor set that won't break the bank, this is a perfect choice. You can purchase them on their website, or you can reach out to your local art store to find out if they're carrying them on the shelves. Alright fam, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and give it the big thumbs up and share this video all over the internet. Now if you guys are new to the channel and you're liking what you see, I'd just like to say, what's up? How you doing? Hit that subscribe button, join our growing family. Also remember guys, hit the bell icon, make sure you're liking the videos because the likes are the lifeblood of the channel and they'll help us defeat the YouTube algorithm. If you guys want to get in touch with me, you can always reach out to me on Twitter and Instagram at DKG72. I also have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok that's David Gordon 72. And if you really like what you guys are seeing on the channel, please go ahead and consider signing up to my Patreon. That's DKG72 Comics. Once again, DKG72 Comics. Alright guys, I'm about to get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this product review. Really loving these Castle Arts watercolors. They're premium, they're great. I think you guys will love them too. Alright, on that note, I'm out. Peace.